So please be seated for our installation of officers. Mrs. Busey is coming up to lead us in that. Do you want the officers up here in front? Oh, we're going to do that, okay.
Right. Hello, students, staff, and welcome parents, grandparents, and everyone else that's here to share this with us. Recently, we elected our new student council to serve our school this school year. And today we would like to take a moment and recognize these leaders as well as to commission them. They have a responsibility to the St. Joseph School community. So it is appropriate to remind them of this and to offer a prayer for their success this school year. So, as I call your name, if you will come to the front of the church, our President Ken Boyle, Vice President Hope Lyons, Secretary Trinity Brock, Treasurer Cody Pizzuti, our 8th grade representative Alex Smith, Representative Mila Madera, 6th grade Representative Rachel Aquaviva, our 5th grade representative is Tyler Pizzuti, but he's not feeling well right now, so he's not with us up here. Our 4th grade representative, Karina Kohut, Representative Sydney Skoda, and our grades K through 2 representative is Logan Gates. So, boys and girls, after each of these statements, if you could please acknowledge your agreement by saying, "I will." Listen carefully to what you're agreeing to. Will you, to the best of your abilities, affirm to faithfully uphold the values of St. Joseph School and act as a role model for other students? Will you, to the best of your abilities, affirm to work in the best interests of the students, staff, and community of St. Joseph School? Will you, to the best of your abilities, affirm to support the school as it strives to achieve success for all of its members? And the Student Council will now join in a prayer for God's providence and guidance.
And before we do that, I just want to ask those who participated in the election by running in the election, if you could just please stand. I would like to just recognize and thank you for participating in the election. You made everything a little bit higher by participating. Even if you didn't win, we thank you. So congratulations for And let us pray. Almighty God, we give you thanks for the many and varied ways you build up your church and our schools. Bless these officers of our school, the president, the vice president, the treasurer, and the secretary, and all of the class representatives. Grant that through their vision and direction, through their representation and their service, they may continue to be of service to this parish and this school, and bring honor and glory to your name. We ask that you grant this through Christ, our Lord. Amen. Amen. And may Almighty God bless you, the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Thank you and congratulations, guys.